So hi team, this is a video demo for our client. It's all about the generic linking. It's all about that when you access this link, it will automatically switch on your location, the language in your location from the website. Example, this is this one. So if you will, since I'm on the Philippines, if you will type this, it will automatically chooses English as a default. Now, if you will change our location, it should automatically route based on the nation of the user. So to demonstrate this, I've downloaded a VPN so that we can change our location here. So let's select here. Example French, so let's connect to France here. So I've updated my location to France to test if the other website is working. So let's search my location here. Okay, so let's check if our location should automatically switch. So my location switches to France because I've downloaded the VPN here. So let's try on the website. So since this is a generic, this one, let's test on the ASM page. So since my location is on France, it should automatically switch on French language. So you see it is working on the ASM. I have a list here. Different capture pages of our client. This is the balance file. So I'm on France, it should automatically select French. So on Skin Serum, it should automatically select French language. So as you can see, so let's go to partner. It's French, and on Viva, it's French. Now on the webinar, when you access this, it will route on English language. It should be on French. As you can see, it's English. Okay, so let's try it again. Remove this. So it's English. Like on the other pages, it will automatically switch their language. Okay, so let's try again. Let's move to other country. Let's select another country here. Let's example Romanian. So let's use our VPN here. Let's select this and let's connect. Okay. So my location is now on Romania. So let's refresh this. It will check if it is changing our location. So here I'm on Madrid. It's part of Romania. So just a sec. Let's check the details here. If we are on Romania. So Romania is part of Spain. So it will automatically detect that I'm on this location. So since we shifted our changes our location to Romania, so the expectation is when a user is from Romania, it will automatically detect. So on the other pages, it is working except for the webinar. So as you can see, it is automatically detecting your location and switches the language on their other capture pages. So on the Skin Serum it's working, but on the webinar, let's try it again. So it's loading. So as you can see, it defaults to English. The request of the client for the webinar page, it will automatically detect the location of the user and it will switch the language. It's the same on the other websites. Okay? Thank you.